Hey, it's my birthday. You have to be nice.
Well, I heard what happened at the fight. You did the right thing.
Thank you. I did it for you.
Oh, did you? How dare you?
So, can you guess what I want for my birthday?
Better taste in music?
Ooh, you love my music.
Not
I think you
sure.
do.
Some fresh hair dye? I know what you want. A breath mint.
I've just brushed my teeth. See, to everyone else, just feels like we're having a conversation. So as long as you can keep your emotions under control.
You think I can't?
What? You nearly fell at the first hurdle.
Shut up.
John is still. And still.
Noah, I'm off. You two have fun today. Enjoy your surprise, Nick. Go easy on him, Noah.
Better get ready.